of times we can take a guy and we can tailor a job to his needs. And when I say his needs, the driver would say, okay, how does this guy's needs fit into our customer's needs? And we can essentially make a job for him that's going to work for him, for us, and for our customer.
Fun here. I was able to make money and able to be home when I needed to be. I've enjoyed my time here, and I hope to be here many, many years in the future.
Enough so you can see your family?
Yeah, I get home a lot more now. You know, I get, there's one thing about, you know, like I said, Wabash, I get home, I get to spend a lot more time with my kids. You know, I get to actually.
And why you like him so much?
Why? He's fair. He don't lie. When I first...
Family atmosphere. You're a name. You're a person, not a number. Especially not a truck number.
Yeah, it's too big.
Come on.